Welcome to Disneyland Hotel.
Today we're going to be checking out all this resort has to offer.
Such as the different room types, like superior rooms.
And dining, like Royal Banquet.
Shopping at the Royal Boutique.
And the amenities, like the pool and the spa. So this is the main entrance of the Disneyland Hotel. And so when you arrive as a guest, this is where you'll head inside.
Come on, Lizzie, we've got to go check it out. Here we are at the lobby of the Disneyland Hotel. Check out that Sleeping Beauty Castle chandelier.
It really is beautiful. And with the grand staircase, the bookshelves, and the huge fireplace, it really feels like you've walked into a fairy tale.
It's so royal. So just over there, you've got your check-in desks. You've actually got a exclusive deluxe check-in desk just over there. And for Castle Club, you check in on the second floor.
Bell Services is just behind me. This is where you can store your bags before and after a day of magic. And if you head through these doors right here, you'll be in Disneyland Park.
But first, let's check out some rooms.
Let's go. There are so many different room types here at the Disneyland Hotel.
There's the Superior, Deluxe, and Castle Club rooms.
And all of those rooms come in different configurations to accommodate various party sizes.
Okay, now we're going to check out one of the Superior family rooms. Oh, wow. Now this is a beautiful room. Wow, my favorite movie as well, Aladdin. But in all the different rooms, you've got all sorts of different royal stories being told through the artwork. We've got loads of space under both of these beds to store all of your luggage. In my family of 4 travels to Disneyland, we pack pretty heavy. Just here, you've got lots of different light controls, actually with some cute tangled motifs on. So you can change your light settings so that actually you could be reading a book and you're not going to wake up the little ones when they're sleeping. And you've got loads of room everywhere in here. Here, if my boys want to sleep apart, we've got a bit of extra sleeping space on this sofa bed. And we've got a really cute tangled inspired mirror here as well. Let's check this out. So in here we've got a coffee machine, and it looks like in here we've got loads of mugs and cups and spoons and coffees and milks, and actually also got a tea kettle as well, which I need. Now let's check out this way. Right, okay, so we've got loads of storage here. We've got hangers, we've got extra blankets as well if we need those. Lovely Disneyland Hotel robes and slippers. Okay, so what's nice about this room is you've actually got a completely separate toilet to your shower and bathroom. And you've got a beautiful Snow White inspired mirror in here, which has got Snow White and the 7 dwarfs all around it. It's lovely, and you can actually connect your phone via Bluetooth so that you can listen to your favourite Disney songs while you're getting ready in the morning. The royal touches are really everywhere in this room. Even if you look down at your feet, you're going to see different royal emblems from your favourite Disney stories. So like the apple from Snow White, the magic lamp from Aladdin, and the rose from Beauty and the Beast. Beautiful, so we can see the gardens of the Disneyland Hotel.
So now we're going to head into a deluxe room. Ooh. Okay, we have some lovely Disney details on the carpet. Look at this view. Got a view of gardens and the pool. It is absolutely beautiful. Oh, and then the beds, very soft. We've got a nice little accent up here, kind of shiny. Feel like you're, I don't know, sleeping under the stars a little bit. There's storage, it looks like under the bed, and as an overpacker, I need that. So these different light switches here, we can see we have lights that kind of help for each bed. And then we've got a little magic up here. So I'm gonna hit the moon. Let's see what it looks like at night. And to do that, I'm gonna need to shut the curtains, which I hate to give up this view, but I'll do it for magic, right? Let's see. I can't decide if it's the night sky or if it's pixie dust, but either way, I am all in on it. It's beautiful. What I thought was a mirror, y'all, it is gonna be the TV. So the TV is just seamless into the wall, and then your family's name is gonna be right here on the TV, which is one of my favorite parts of a Disney vacation, because it feels so personal when you get here and like, you know, you've arrived in the middle of the magic, because it does feel like magic. This is so fun. Oh, so this is with the coffee station, right? We've got all of your coffee necessities. We got some cream, some sugar, That's delightful. And then underneath, yeah, that's just storage. So lots of things here. Plenty of seating, and I really like that because when you're putting on your shoes or anything like that for the day. Let's see. In here we do have a refrigerator, a little beverage cooler, it looks like. Has some beverages in there. Even got another full-length mirror so you can check your outfit before you're headed out to the theme parks. Okay, hanging, oh my goodness. I've got a robe, and I love a robe. Nothing says a good little vacation to me like lounging in a robe. Even slippers. Oh my goodness, this is nice. Oh, we've got a safe to store your valuables. But yeah, if I'm coming from the States, I'm bringing a lot of clothes. I think I would store my shoes under here. And then, like I said, you can sit here. We've got a pillow and a duvet in here, which is nice. Padded hangers, regular hangers. Oh my goodness. And a bathroom. Oh, over the mirror, we have Sebastian. So a nice little under the sea thing. We've got double sinks, which is very nice. A tub shower combo. And then you have a separate toilet, which is really important when you're traveling, especially with multiple people. Got a trash can, towels, towel racks, soap and lotion. There's tissues on the wall. There is a vanity, like makeup mirror. I really just love all the Disney details in here. I think that's my favorite. Also, if we're looking, there are bed tables on both sides with light switches, and that is really important because if one person is reading or one person's staying up later, I think I'm really gonna like that. And a plug so that you can charge your phone right by your bed. Your phone is your alarm. You're gonna use it a lot on vacation. So this is really, really incredible. I think, oh, and I see on this mirror over here, it's like we have the sun from Tangled. So again, so many Disney details in here. And last but not least, my very favorite Disney movie is Beauty and the Beast. I love a princess who reads. And so that's gonna be the artwork over the beds. So nothing like laying your head down after a busy day in the theme parks and still having that Disney magic.
There's a really exciting way to stay at Disneyland Hotel, and that's through the Castle Club.
And there is a really fun way to check in. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
I'm here to check in for my room at the Castle Club.
There you go, Princess Lizzie.
Bonjour, welcome to the Sleeping Beauty Suite.
It's like a castle.
Wow. Oh my gosh, it actually is a castle.
There is a suit of armor. Oh my goodness, is this like... I feel like a princess. The fireplace? Stop. Okay, that's gonna be TV.
Yes.
Yes.
Check out this bed.
Her dress! It's pink! Which is once for 40
Oh, oh,
Oh!
make it blue.
Oh my goodness.
And you literally have so much space in it everywhere.
It is. I could pack so many things.
Wow. Check out this closet.
This closet. You know how I said I'm an overpacker? I wouldn't have an issue here. There's even a diffuser.
Every hair tool you could ever need. Extra blankets.
Plenty of storage.
My family would have no problem storing their things here. I'm gonna have to bring them so they can store their things here.
That's the key.
The royal robe.
And it's for a little one. That is so
Oh,
cute.
that's
And there's
cute.
a full-size
My little
one.
ones would love that.
I love a good robe. Okay, we've got jacuzzi tub, shower.
A separate toilet from the
Okay.
shower area. Perfect. It works great for my family of 4.
There you go. Or just me by myself, actually. All of the Sleeping Beauty artwork, it's one of the classic films, and it feels traditional Disney to me. I love it. You got a sink over here.
Oh, I wonder what's in the treasure chest.
Actual treasure.
A coffee machine. So
Coffee.
there must be some coffee around here somewhere as well.
Okay, the storage.
Yes, we've got everything in here we need for the perfect coffee or cup of tea.
Practically perfect. And then is this. It's another bathroom.
Another toilet.
So there is a separate, like, half bath, a toilet, and a sink. So you can see the castle from right here. So this would be my seat. Thank you, kind sir.
You are welcome, my lady.
I'm channeling my inner royalty. Oh my goodness. And you could go on outside. And I can see the pink exterior, which you know how much I love.
You do love it.
I love it.
And can you imagine watching the fireworks from your room?
I didn't even think about that. Oh my goodness. So now we're headed to the west side of the hotel where you'll find all the facilities.
You're going to find some restaurants, the Castle Club, and a D Lounge.
There's a pool down here too.
There is, and a kids club.
And if you look right here out these windows, you can see Disneyland Park.
I cannot wait to check that out later today.
I know. So here is a central hub area where you'll find a lot of the dining options. There's even a little lounge where you can sit, relax, and you never know who you might see.
Just behind us, we've got the Table de Lumière. This is a sit-down restaurant where you can meet princesses and their princes.
And then right next door, we've got Royal Banquet Restaurant where you can meet Mickey and Minnie in their royal finest.
And just over here, we've got Fleur de Lys Bar.
They have cocktails, they have mocktails, they even have coffee.
And you're going to have a great view over Fantasia Gardens.
So one of the perks of staying at the Castle Club is this incredible lounge.
Wow, just check out that view of Sleeping Beauty Castle. It really is the perfect place to come and take some time away from the parks. So when you're staying here, you're going to be able to have a character breakfast every day included as a perk, as part of your stay.
There's also tea time snacks, and then you can kind of access things in here throughout the day. And even when there's not food available, you are more than welcome to come in, relax, and like we said, enjoy those views. There are so many incredible details here in the Castle Club lounge. Artwork around the lounge pays homage to so many different Disney castles. And then if you're traveling as a young adult like me, they actually pipe in the music for the fireworks in here. You can have champagne and watch the fireworks without all the people around you.
So you can avoid the hustle and bustle completely.
Exactly, and that is one of the things I just love about Disney vacations is while everybody thinks about going and going and going in the theme parks, it's the quiet moments, like when Mickey and Minnie just walked by us out there in the lobby. That made it so special.
Here we are at D Lounge with some fantastic views of Fantasia Gardens. You're going to find a breakfast buffet here in the mornings, and in the afternoons a tea time treat.
So perfect midday break to come in here, relax, and take in those views.
And all that is just a couple of steps away from Disneyland Park. So now we're going to check out the Royal Kids Club.
I see there's lots of options to color, and as a teacher, I know kids love coloring.
Brilliant. So this is where we're going to check into the Royal Kids Club. You can actually leave your kids here for 2 hours per day per child. This is the enchanted library that your children will get to come and spend some time at. You're going to get to do some crafting, some colouring.
I think I even see some friends hidden among the books. And right through here, your little ones will have the opportunity to immerse themselves in some of their favorite Disney stories through both books and movies.
Just through here, your kiddos are going to get to meet some of their favourite Disney characters. Here we are in the pool area on the ground floor.
It is an indoor pool, but there's plenty of windows for great views outside.
Plenty of seats to sit on to watch the kiddos play.
And there is a hot tub.
I love a hot tub.
The Disneyland Hotel is also home to the Disneyland Hotel Spa by Clarence.
It's the perfect place to come after a couple of long days in the theme parks.
You just walk in here and that smell is so good, it's instantly relaxing.
It's amazing. Next up, the Royal Collection Boutique.
And you know shopping is my favorite thing to do.
So you've got all sorts in this shop. You've got loads of plushies for the little ones.
I see some ears, some dresses, you've got keychains.
You've even got some designer collaborations with Disney.
And we've got Disneyland Hotel exclusive merchandise.
There really is something here for everyone. So a massive perk of staying at Disneyland Hotel is extra magic time.
And not only do you get in early, you're only just a few steps away from the theme parks.
It's a great entry to Disneyland Park, just over here.
Let's go. Oh, wait. If you have any more Disneyland Paris planning questions, be sure to visit us at
planDisney.com.
Let's go.